Let's be real. All right. Especially if you're watching me. If you join Instant Recall, you should be able to recruit way more than two damn people. All right. So in this video, I want to talk about one of the easiest referral programs I've ever seen. All right. I've been talking about this for a couple years now, and I've talked about it it seemed like in a while, but this is something I'm still making money from, a little bit of money, but it's adding up, right? So the opportunity is called Instant Recall. Now it's this app that you can download, all right? And it pretty much keep tracks of your location, right? So if you go on vacation or you go to a particular restaurant, you can actually like pin that restaurant, and the Instant Recall app will actually keep track of it for you. But there is a business opportunity that's connected with Instant Recall. And like I say, I think this is one of the easiest referral programs to get involved with. The opportunity is only $3.99 a month to be a business builder with Instant Recall. But I want you to keep in mind that this is really a online business, and this is a business that you can have for under $4 a month. All right. So what I want to do right now is share a video from Instant Recall's top affiliate. All right. So this dude's name is Larry. All right. So he's been with Instant Recall from day one. This dude is killing it in Instant Recall. So I want to, like I said, play this video, and he kind of just tells you about the opportunity and how you can actually make $12,000 with Instant Recall. $12,000 a month. He's about to show you how it's possible to do this. And, you know, I'm going to share my 2 cents with it. All right. All right. So I forgot. I got to put my headphones on so I can hear the damn video playing. All right. So let's get into it. So let me go right here. All right. So let's get into it.
Hi, I'm Larry Lalamandera, and I'm the master affiliate with Instant Recall. $12,184 per month in only 4 months. How can you do that? Well, you can do it with us at Instant Recall. And how do you do it? Well, you sign up 2 people every week in Instant Recall, and you teach those 2 people to teach their people to do the same thing, and on down the line through 4 generations or 4 levels, right? If you do that, right, at the end of 4 months, everybody does it. You're making $12,184. That's it.
Now, real quick, if you're watching this, you might be like, bullshit. That don't even make no sense. How can you make $12,000 a month from just referring 2 people? Well, if you actually do what he says and everybody does it, the math actually does work out to be over $12,000 a month. But, you know, well, let me just keep playing the video and I'll talk after, but I ain't going to stop it again. So watch.
You can do more. I can't even imagine how much that would go, because it's compounding. And compounding is so powerful. In fact, Einstein said it was the 8th wonder of the world. He also said it's the most powerful thing in the world is compounding. And you can combine that with Instant Recall, the low cost, the huge market of 5.6 billion people worldwide. Everybody you know has a phone, and everybody then is a prospect. The market is unbelievable in our favor because everybody's looking to make money. We just saw something on TV where they said the lady took 2 of her boys and her to a fast food place. Over $60 she spent. She said, I can't afford it. And nobody can. I mean, a lot of people can. I mean,
I know I said I wasn't going to stop it, but I got to. So if you think about what he said a couple seconds ago about how many people have phones, all right, and that's something that if you think about getting this opportunity, you need to realize, like, anybody that has a phone could be an actual referral. Like, that's somebody who you can introduce this opportunity to. That's why I think this shit is so dope, because of that. Anybody that has a phone who's looking to earn some extra cash is somebody who you should share this opportunity with. All right, I'm done.
Certain amounts, but the majority of people can't afford to do that very much. And they're all looking to make more money. And so we have the perfect opportunity. They don't have to go get a second job or anything. All they have to do is do this. And they can do it so easy because when you sign up with us, you get an app. You click on that app, you go to settings. All right, you take settings and you see a list. After you hit settings and it says share with friends. Okay, so now you click on that and all your lists come up. The list from your phone, the list for your email, the list for your social media like Facebook and Snapchat and X and all of them. They're all there. And so all you have to do is click on one of them, any of them, and up comes the list for that certain one. And you'll hit A because there's a little cursor there. And you hit A and up pops a name on it. And all you do is send, and you send it to them. And it's already set up to send a 5-minute fantastic video. We get great reviews on it. It tells a whole story about the business. And your link, it goes out to them. All right. Signing people up for $3.99 isn't hard. First of all, you can deduct it from your taxes. Plus, it puts you in a different category of home-based business, and you can save at least $1,000 on a home-based business just by signing up. I mean, it's foolish not to sign up, really. I mean, because you're going to save money, And so we've got the price, all right? We've got the market. Everybody's got a phone. We've got the ease of doing it because you can sit on your couch and do it. Like I said, you go up on that list and what you see is all these people, and you've got hundreds on your phone, all the lists we're talking about. You've got hundreds, and you just keep sending to it. Some people sign up, after the 5th time they see it. Some people sign up the first time, but you just keep sending it because you'll get people all the time doing it. And all you got to do is do it in your leisure time. Right. And you can do it when you're having coffee at the coffee shop. You can do it when you're sitting on the couch watching TV. Take your leisure time, just a little bit here, 15 minutes a day. Do it and send it out and do it consistently, and you'll build a business. You can build a tremendous business. Remember, compounding is so powerful. And so we've got the product, we got the price, we got how much money you can make. There's nobody going to beat this marketing plan. Nobody. It's so easy to do, and you don't have any risk. You got everything. Don't miss it.
All right. So let me get back to here real quick. Go back. Bam. All right. So yeah, there you have it. Like instant recall, like it really is a dope ass opportunity. So let me just show you real quick the app, what it looks like. All right. So when you download it, all right, that's the app. You can see it. It shows like the location. So up here, if you see right there, that's my points that I got right now, right? You get 20 points per referral. So check this out, all right? You can see, I don't know if you can see, the light messed up. So these are all like referrals, right? And you see the dark colors, people who joined and they actually quit, which I don't know what the hell they was thinking. But you can see like my referrals. So this is real, right? And you see a lot of people like right here, all these people actually quit, which makes no damn sense. And I think a reason why people would quit this opportunity, well, I don't know why, right? I don't know if they just tight on $3.99 a month, maybe. But if you actually promote this, like the dude said in the video, remember that's the master affiliate dude. Actually, I don't need these on no more. Damn that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like that's like the master affiliate dude. That dude killing it in instant recall. But the reason why I feel like anybody who joined, if you can't get, in my opinion, if you can't get 5 people, right? 5 people to join this, then you didn't try. Because in the video, dude just told you how once you sign up to instant recall and you decide to be a business builder, you're actually from the inside of the app, you can introduce instant recall to people in your phone. You can introduce people from your Facebook account, your phone book, your what is it, X now, Twitter, X, whatever the hell it's called, Instagram. You can actually introduce instant recall to these people. So for people that actually join instant recall and didn't make any money, that just tell me they didn't try. Like this is super easy. It's like join and just send out requests, right? Now, the thing is, it's at the beginning of the video, how dude was like, yo, how you can actually start making over $12,000 a month. You just get two people and teach those two people how to get two, blah, 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 blah. And if everybody does that, yes, you can earn that kind of money. And yes, the math does work out. But let's be real, all right? Especially if you're watching me. If you join Instant Recall, you should be able to recruit way more than two damn people. Like, if you join this, go for 50, go for 100 people. Like, why not? Like, it's one of the opportunities where you can promote. Now, I always tell people, start with the people in your phone book, the people on Facebook that you cool with, or in Instagram that you know. Introduce it to them first, but then promote it just like you would do any other affiliate marketing or network marketing opportunity. Promote it, do videos on it, talk about it on your social media, your TikTok videos and all that shit. Like, even though this opportunity is only $3.99 a month, right? And it seems like, because you only get like $1 or $2 per referral, monthly. This is monthly. But once you see how the money actually does compound and add up over time, it's well worth it. Plus, it's easy as hell to do. All right. So if this is something that you want to jump into and start earning some cash quickly, of course, the link in the description so you can check it out. Ah, damn it. All right, so you could check it out for yourself. Remember, this is another one of the opportunities where the key to success is sharing the opportunity. Get your affiliate link out there. That's all you need to do.